In short, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that answers questions or solves problems in a human-like manner. You've probably already talked to a chatbot in the past, but likely it was, well, pretty dumb. And while there have been many different chatbots, ChatGPT and the provided interface are unique and a huge leap when it comes to actual usefulness. Think of it like Google, just on extreme steroids. And say goodbye to endless Googling to find the right answers to your questions. Just ask ChatGPT for further details if you are not satisfied with the first answer to your question, and really dissect what you want to know until you get exactly what you want. ChatGPT is extremely powerful and can be a great tool and immense help for everyday applications. It can also help you with your work, or even help you becoming self-employed and much more. And no worries, we are not at the stage where robots take over the world. Well, at least not yet. But you definitely should get used to AI and applications like this, because there's no way they are going to slow down. While there's a paid version for ChatGPT, the standard version is entirely for free and extremely powerful. And if you want to try it out yourself, you can simply create an account. I tell you exactly how to do that in the next video of our beginner series right over here.